Hi everyone, welcome back to another cooking episode of Life of Pang. Today we're going to do a American classic. It's going to be beef stew. And for some of you this may not be that big of a deal, but living in Thailand you don't get a lot of American dishes out here, and what you get is not authentic. And so every once in a while we do crave that good old American food, so stick around and let's make beef stew. You will need about 2 pounds. I'm using beef stew. Using a bag that doesn't have any hole, we're gonna go ahead and put the flour mixture that we'll coat our beef with. Once it's all in there, just mix it up until the flour mixture is coated well. And then go ahead and add your beef. If you have a Ziploc bag, you can shake it, or if you don't, then just go ahead and move or massage your beef around so that they all get coated with the flour mixture. Then let's go ahead and just prepare the rest of the ingredients. I usually just go ahead and get them all cut, measure, and set aside so that when I'm ready to cook, everything's ready to go. You need about 4 cups of beef stock. I don't have beef stock, but I do have these beef cubes. I'm gonna dissolve 2 beef stock cubes in 2 cups of water. And I do like to use a cup of dry red wine. If you don't want alcohol in it, you can skip it completely. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of butter, and then put half of your beef in here. Fry these beefs in batches. Make sure every single beef touches the pan so that they get nice and brown, and just sear it up. And then turn it. Once you cook all your beef, your pan will look like this. You have this caramelized coating on the bottom. Go ahead and add your onion and garlic. Cook for about a minute or 2. And then add your cup of red wine. Scraping the bottom, getting all that goodness off of the bottom. And then go ahead and add your beef. Now go ahead and just add all the rest of your ingredients except for the cornstarch, and then add another 2 cups of water. Mix it well. Making sure the pressure valve is in a closed state. And set your pressure cooker for 45 minutes. Cornstarch and water will just help thicken up the sauce, so we'll pre-mix that. Carefully depressurize your cooker before opening. Oh, look at that. Lovely, smells good. And then I'll just turn on the pot for 5 minutes and add the cornstarch. And as you notice, the soup is now thickening up. And then I just give it a taste to make sure I don't need to add any more salt or anything. And this is perfect. So let's serve it up. Look at how beautiful this is. The color, the smell, the aroma. And if you like this kind of cooking, make sure you check out my other video, my pork stew. I'll put the link on the top and on the bottom of the description box. And you can garnish it with a little bit of cayenne or paprika and parsley. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you can make it. My family love having comfort food every once in a while, and so I enjoy making it even though it's so hot outside. So I hope you come back and watch more of my videos. Until next time, happy cooking. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please hit that thumbs up button if you like my videos. And if you want to see more of my videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you have not done so. I really hope you come back and watch more videos. So until next time, have a wonderful day.